welcome back to the channel, and this is Simran, and she is actually studying and stuff because of her project. So mind, we'll enjoy the video, but before further moving to the video, I would like to give like 2-3 disclaimers. First of all, this is a non-sponsored video. Second of all, the movies and the web series that I will be recommending you guys will not be in any particular order. It's all raw, and it's my opinion about the movies and what I feel, the genre that I enjoy, and it's like a stress buster for me, so I just thought of sharing it. And lastly, I cannot help with the background noises. You have to bear it because we live, like, the house is on the main road. Okay, the flyover is just samne तो आएगी ही, like it's in the front, so ये sounds, I think it can't be avoided, तो ये आएगा ही. So sorry about that. And बस अब वीडियो में जाने से पहले आप सब्सक्राइब कर दो और लाइक कर दो फटाफट वीडियो को. Let's begin.
Sisters, for more vlogs, shorts, challenges, and full on masti, you know the drill is to like and subscribe to our channel. So let's begin.
Okay, so the first movie I'm recommending is Blended. So it's a beautiful movie. Why I'm recommending this movie? Because it has been shot in the beautiful of locations with the brilliant actors. One is my favorite is Adam Sandler's. I just love his work. His comic timing is so apt. It's a rom-com. Mostly it's comedy, but yeah, you will love, I think you will love the genre. And it's just beautiful. The cinematography, everything is just so much beautiful. And also I am recommending this movie. It's like, I think about 2 hour long, but you can watch it in breaks, so which is like great if you are taking breaks during your studies and stuff like that. So it's great because it doesn't have any suspense, and you just laugh and stuff, so it's great. So yeah, it's available on Netflix. Also, I will be telling you all that how you can watch all of these webs and movies for free without any subscription. So just wait till the end of the video. The next movie I'm talking about is The 51st Dates. It's a romantic movie. Again, it has Adam Sandler's. It's a movie where this guy Adam Sandler's fall in love with a girl who has a short-term memory loss, and it takes him 51st dates to actually make that girl remember of him. So it's a beautiful movie set up in a beautiful location, and you can watch it in breaks. It's a slightly longer than usual Hollywood movies, but as you are looking for a movie which you can watch in breaks, so it's perfect for that. If you are taking like a 10 minutes 20 minutes break, your mood will just uplifted. So, and it's available on Amazon Prime. Classic movie, watch it. The next is again a beautiful movie called Wonder. It's like a family drama, I think, as you can categorize it in the genre. It's a story about like a 10-year-old boy who has a deformity, her face deformity, and how he has to how the world treats him, like how we normally will respond seeing a person like that on roads and stuff like that. So it's about that. But the beautiful part about the movie is that acting and stuff is like brilliant. Plus when you listen about such things, a scenario that you imagine in your head is a hospital scenario, okay? But trust me, I think for one shot it's like hospital सिर्फ शायद एक शॉट में दिखाया गया, वो भी शायद स्टार्टिंग में एक पोर्शन में जब वो पैदा होता है, that's it. उसके अलावा कोई सर्जरीज नहीं दिखाई गई हैं, nothing of that sort. So it's beautiful. So it's like a must watch. And I seriously do not cry watching movies, but this movies actually gave me so many happy tears in my eyes. It was like brilliant, like beautiful, beautiful, beautiful movie. Highly recommended. Please watch. I think it's a movie that everyone with their families should watch it together. No matter if you are having your exams, if you are not having your exams, whatever age group, you should watch it. So it's available on Netflix. So yeah, the next is again a movie, like a beautiful movie, Work It. Its name is Work It. It was really hyped on Netflix. It's like a teenage movie, teenage dance movie. So like, you know, the age group of my age group, Ashi's age group, teenage, basically it will like scatter your attention, relax your mind. Dance always, like watching dance music, stuff like that, always relaxes your mind. So you can watch that movie if you want. It's like a good, you know, stress buster and stuff like that, available on again Netflix. The next movie I'm recommending is only because it is so soothing to the mind and the eyes. It's Pride and Prejudice. We all know the story of Pride and Prejudice, and so there is nothing, you know, what certain twists that is coming up. There is nothing that, but this, you know, the locations, the way they speak, you know, the British accent, everything, the setup, you know, the old England setup, everything is so beautiful. It's just so soothing. And also it's like slightly longer. It's like, I think, 2.5 hours long movie, but as you are watching it in breaks, so it will again relax your mind, soothes your eyes. That's what you need. And it's available on Amazon Prime. Subtitles are available for everything, if you are not, you know, able to understand and stuff. So yeah, similar to that accent and stuff, because I find British accent, you know, like really, really relaxing. So it's Enola Holmes on Netflix, if you have watched it, but I do not recommend that to watch during exams, because Holmes, as it suggests, it's like Sherlock Holmes. So it's like, again, the suspense thriller, I won't say thriller, but yeah, suspense, mystery and stuff. So which is like not really a good build up for while you are giving your exams. But if your exams are over and you want to watch something in British accent, if you enjoy it, then you can watch Enola Holmes. The last movie is just, I want to mention because it's like one of my favorite movies, and I don't think that it is anywhere available on Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar and stuff. It's actually available on, I think, Google, I guess. I seriously do not know. I will mention all the details in the description box below. You can watch that. It's The Wedding Date. It's a beautiful movie. I just loved the movie. I don't know why. It's a romantic movie. I just loved it. Loved the movie. I have watched it like for over 100 times now, but I just can't get over the movie. And I will tell you that where you will get that movie, but just a couple minutes more. So the web series I'm talking about, it's like many of the web series are addictive, okay, and I am talking about these web series. These are addictive web series. But why I'm telling you about the webs is like, I have mentioned like 3 webs which you can watch, but all the first of all, the episodes are like 20 minutes long, okay, so which is like a perfect if you are taking breaks between your studies. Secondly, these are not like, you know, building up so much suspense. If you're watching one episode at a time, you are happy, you are contented, and then you can just stop it and you can watch the other when you are free. So these are the 3 web series. First is Friends. I don't think that I just need to explain that why I am mentioning Friends. Friends is just the classic. You have to watch it if you have not watched it. So it's, again, if you don't know, it's a web series where it's 6 friends actually, you know, how they just spend time together, how they face life problems or normal problems, or how they enjoy their life with, you know, amongst themselves, and you will just feel like home. You are just, you know, every time I watch it, it's like it's an apartment just next door, where all of these 6 people are actually living, and I can just go to them and just share up my problems and just feel happy about it, whatever actually stuff is going in my head or my life. So it's great. Next is Brooklyn Nine-Nine. So Brooklyn Nine-Nine is a web series that it took me like 3 to 4 trials to actually watch it, because for the first, I think first season is not that it has not kept me to give me motivation and stuff like that to watch it. But with the second season, it was like I have to watch it. So if I would suggest, if you are watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine, you just watch first or second episode. At least you know the character's name and what the story is about, and then you can start watching it from the second season so on, and where the story just actually picks up and it's like hilarious. The next is Sex Education. So Sex Education is actually not recommended for kids. It's again, if you are like above 18 and 16 of age, so you can watch it. It's not recommended for kids. But it is the Sex Education is actually shown in such a way that you actually want to watch it, because there were some parts which I also really don't know, but it's shown in such a hilarious way that you want to watch it. Again, the episodes are not that long, and not that mysterious kind of thing that keeps you like want to binge watch it. So you can watch it. But if you are like not above 18 and still want another recommendation, is like How I Met Your Mother. So How I Met Your Mother, I would suggest you to watch like again from the second season and stuff, because the first season again cannot kept me to watch it more. But yeah, you can watch it. All the 3 web series like Friends, Brooklyn Nine-Nine, Sex Ed are available on Netflix, and How I Met Your Mother is available on actually Disney Plus Hotstar. That too, a subscription, like there are 2 subscriptions, so not on the VIP, the other one, so you can watch it. So these were my recommendations. If you want to watch everything for free without, or you do not have any Netflix subscription and stuff like that, you can watch it on Telegram. So for Telegram, I won't be sharing the link, but what you can do is like you can actually search the movie Blended, and there will be like multiple groups that will appear, and you can just download it. If it's your Android laptops, like Windows laptops or Android phones, you can easily download it, you can watch it. I'm really sorry, I don't think that I have an alternative for iPhone users, but for Android there is another one. There is an app called Cinema HD app. I am seriously do not know that if I can share the link with you guys, but if I can, I will. And you can just easily fall. So you can easily find that on Google, I think Cinema HD APK something, and you can watch all of the movies and stuff for free, and you can thank me later, guys. And if you really enjoyed the movie, that's it for the video. But if you like really enjoy the movies or web series, comment down below and tell me your feedback about it. And if you want to want a list of movies and web series in Hindi, I can tell you about that also. But until next time, it's a bye bye. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.